Hi friends, today we're repairing a battery from a DEKO screwdriver. I'll be replacing the batteries inside and installing proven, high-quality ones. The BMS board does not respond to pressing the button. I reassembled the battery and connected it the same way. On the right is the positive terminal, marked B+ on the board. If you flip it over, the other side is B. Let's try pressing the button. As you can see, the battery charge is low because the batteries arrived with a voltage of 3.5 volts. Let me assemble it into the case right away. It seems the plug is a little crooked in the housing. I'll fix it behind the scenes now. I fully charged the battery. Let's check. All the indicators are working. The battery is like new now. Another device repaired.